Hello guys, it's NYT, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a server shutdown script. Someone requested it, and I figured I have no video ideas, so yeah. So let's begin. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss a video from me, and I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers, so if you would subscribe, that would mean a lot. So yeah. I gotta trigger the server shutdown somehow. So I'm gonna make this giant cube. It's gonna have a click detector. Script dot parent. Okay. Dot parent. Dot click detector. Dot mouse click connect function. Okay, so once someone clicks it, I want to shut down or kick everyone from the server, cause yeah. So we're just gonna loop through the players in game, and then kick them individually. So yeah, while wait do, so every, I don't know, 0.1 milliseconds, I don't know. While wait do. Okay, so in here we're gonna have in pairs, so for I and V in pairs, and then do. And inside here we're gonna have game dot players, and then colon get players, so we're getting the players. And inside here we're gonna have V kick your mom. Yes, very nice. So once someone clicks it, it's gonna run this loop, and it's gonna loop through the players and then kick everyone from it. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? Okay, let's play. Oh no. Kick reason your mom. Okay, I'm gonna click on it. You were kicked from this game, your mom. Oh my god. You were kicked from this game, your mom. And you can have any reason in here. Just put them here. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can kick everyone. I know I demonstrated it with like one person, but I mean it does work, so yeah. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe and comment down below what you want me to do next. And yeah, peace.